Hello and welcome back. I'm Kavindu from Etronic Solutions. This is the second video in our admin panel walkthrough series for the Anandeeya Ayurveda website. In our last video, we covered the dashboard and how to manage packages. In this video, we're going to go through very important sections. Doctors. Let's start with the Doctor section. In the left sidebar, click on Doctor to expand the menu. You'll see Options, List. Let's go through List. Click on List to see the full list of doctors currently published on the website. Each doctor is displayed in a table with their name, specialization, profile photo, and action buttons, edit and delete. This gives the admin team a clear overview of who is currently listed on the public doctors page. Status: you can set the doctor as active, meaning they appear on the public website, or inactive, meaning they are hidden from customers but still saved in the system. This is very useful if a doctor is temporarily unavailable. Adding a new doctor. Now let's look at how to add a new doctor. Click on Add New in the sidebar. A form will open with all the fields needed to create a complete doctor profile. Let me walk you through each field. Doctor's name. Enter the full name of the doctor exactly as it should appear on the website. For example, Dr. Gayani Pereira. Title or designation. This is the doctor's professional title. For example, Chief Ayurvedic Physician or Senior Consultant, Skin and Hair Care. This appears below the doctor's name on their profile card. Specialization, a short summary of their area of expertise. For example, Panchakarma therapies and detox treatments or herbal formulations and dermatology. Profile photo, upload a professional photo of the doctor. This image appears on the doctor's page as the profile picture. We recommend using a clear, high-quality photo with a neutral background for a professional look. Full biography. This is the detailed description that appears on the doctor's individual profile page when a customer clicks Read More. Here you can include the doctor's educational background, training, certifications, treatment philosophy, and any special achievements. The more complete this is, the more confident patients will feel about booking. Once all fields are filled, click Add New, and the doctor's profile will immediately appear on the public doctors page and will also be added as an option in the reservation form under Preferred Physician. This integration between the doctors section and the booking form is a very important feature. Editing a doctor profile. To update an existing doctor's profile, go to All Doctors list and click the doctor. The same form opens, but this time it's pre-filled with the existing information. You can update any field, change the photo, update the biography, correct the specialization. For example, if a doctor completes a new certification or training program, you can add that to their biography immediately. Or if their title changes, you can update it in seconds. Once you click Update, the changes go live on the website instantly, no technical work needed.